Did you know you can create an entire self-sustaining rainforest in a glass jar? Even if you've never grown a plant before. Want to know how? What if you could build your own tiny rainforest right on your desk? Not a plastic decoration, a real living ecosystem. Unlike most DIY kits, ours comes with almost everything you'll need to create a beautiful terrarium. Start with gravel to create the drainage layer. Add the separator mesh. Activated charcoal keeps your ecosystem fresh. Next comes our specially blended terrarium substrate. Arrange your rocks and natural spiderwood. Now comes the fun part. Add the moss. Plant your Fittonia. Mist gently. And watch your miniature ecosystem create its own little water cycle. Many kits leave you hunting for missing materials. We don't. We've carefully curated everything beginners need. And if you purchase directly from our Terrarium Labs physical store, you'll also receive a free live moss patch and a healthy Fittonia plant. Buying everything separately costs much more. Our complete DIY kit is only 1,400 rupees. It's perfect for beginners, families, nature lovers, corporate gifts, or simply anyone who wants a little more green in their life. Build, plant, grow, repeat. Visit Terrarium Labs today and build your own tiny world.